Hi, meet Kirti Srivastav, Country Manager for Grand Valley State University. Hi, Kirti.
Hi, Ganga.
Kirti, tell us something about Grand Valley State University, its location, and all the highlights.
Sure, I'll be happy to. So, Grand Valley State University is located in a city called as Grand Rapids, and we are in the state of Michigan. Grand Rapids is the second largest city in the state of Michigan. We are just about 2 hours away from Chicago, which is the largest city, which is closest to Grand Rapids. And it has a huge technology industry. It has a huge hospitality sector, a very big healthcare sector.
Mhm.
Grand Valley as a university is a large public school. We have about 25,000 plus students and a beautiful 1,400-acre campus. In fact, the background that I have on Zoom is actually off the campus. And we also have 94 undergraduate programs and 42 graduate programs that we offer.
Okay, so what are the most popular programs at Grand Valley?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Some of the most popular programs at Grand Valley are, of course, our STEM based programs. We have a lot of focus on computer science. In fact, our engineering programs are ranked as some of the top programs in the country, along with our business programs. Our business programs are offered by Seidman College of Business, which is a dual AACSP accredited business school, and less than 200 business school around that have a dual AACSP accreditation. So our STEM programs are really popular, our business programs are popular. We are also very popular for our health related programs like public health or hospital administration, sciences, etc.
Wow. So tell us how Grand Valley is unique from all the other US schools.
Yes, so Grand Valley stands out in a couple of areas. The first thing that I would like to point out is that we've been consistently ranked as one of America's best buy universities. What that basically means is that we have been ranked as one of America's best universities that offers the highest return on investment to its students for over 20 years in a row. So the investment that students make towards their education is in the form of tuition fees and living expenditure mainly. So we are very affordable on that line. And the average salary that the students get is very, very high in comparison to several universities. So that's one. And the other element that's really unique about Grand Valley is our focus on hands-on learning experience. Most of our programs at the master's level come with an internship where students get an opportunity to implement what they've been learning while they're still in the program itself. Most of the times, these internships are also paid. Like, for
Mhm.
example, the MS Data Science and Analytics program, which is a popular one among students from India, has a guaranteed internship that is part of the program. And students will have to complete it before they graduate. And the last key differentiator that I would also like to highlight is that we've been ranked second nationally in the country for having the maximum number of Fulbright professors. And this shows the importance of who you're going to learn from at Grand Valley.
Yes, so then tell us more about this tuition fee and living expenses at Grand Valley.
Yes, like I just mentioned, tuition fees are very, very affordable. So at the graduate level, it's around 13,500 USD per year
Mhm.
for the students. And the living expenditure, if they're living on campus, can be estimated at 9,250 per year. That's including books, transportation, food, because they're on a meal plan where they get breakfast, lunch, and dinner also. But if they're staying off campus, the living expenditure comes to about half of that. So it's very affordable on that line. And when it comes to undergraduate program tuition fee, it is 18,500 USD. But we have a good news for those students who want to pursue their bachelor's at Grand Valley. There's a recent decision that got approved, and we are not going to charge international tuition, but international students are going to pay the same in-state or domestic tuition, which really drops the tuition down by a significant amount. It comes to around $13,000 to $14,000, and we'll be releasing that soon.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
And are there any scholarship opportunities as well at
Yes,
Grand Valley?
absolutely. So there are two types of scholarships. There are entrance scholarships and there are continuing scholarships. So when it comes to entrance based scholarships, there is an international merit scholarship that an international student can get at the undergraduate level, which is up to $5,000. Few academically stellar students can get up to $10,000 per year on scholarship. That makes it about $20,000 across 4 years, or $40,000 across 4 years of their undergraduate study. And apart from that, the graduate program, students have graduate assistantship scholarship opportunities. Decisions on those will be made post admission. And if chosen, students get up to half of the tuition fee waived or sometimes even full.
Wow, I think that's amazing.
Mhm.
Absolutely amazing. I really wasn't aware. I was a little scared to ask you about
Mhm.
scholarships since the fees itself was quite
Yes.
reasonable. Fantastic. Okay, so tell students something about the Canam and Grand Valley relationship.
Yeah, so Canem has been a fantastic partner. We did do a lot of in-person events with Canem earlier, and Canem is somebody that we closely work with. I myself had visited a lot of Canem offices in different parts of India, including their main office in Chandigarh. And we look forward to strengthen this association further and look forward to interacting with students virtually with this initiative.
So that'll be great, and we really look forward to you all. Thank you, Kirti.
Thank you very much, Ganga.